Good morning. We're here once again with the 65 Plymouth Fury station wagon. I figure since I had a little time here, I'm waiting on parts to get the motor running and fixed up. May as well dig into the interior a little bit. There's some interesting things in there I want to show you. So I think we're going to start with this door because it's the only one that seems to open. These are all going to take a bit of work, but this guy, it won't shut, but it's open. So we're going to start with the back seat. I'm going to get some gloves. There's a lot of broken glass. There's some weird old books. I'll show you those. Some strange old homogenized milk cartons. All right, let's start with this here book. Picked this up and peeked at it once. It's Finding New Neighbors. There's Kitty on it. Maybe this book belonged to somebody named Kitty. It's a teacher's edition. It's something you would teach your kids. And it's a little weird, to be honest. Bibliography, all the dates in this are like 1950s and older. It's an old book. There was another little book down here. This one's in slightly worse shape. Also, weird picture of a little boy with a bird on his head. The boy and the dove. Yeah. Strange old book. I think we will throw that one away. We got this here toolbox as a. I think that's the driver's side mirror. We're gonna need that. Random things in here, old sparker, bits of chain link, extra old stock, beer bottle caps, chain links. We'll keep this as a metal recycling bin. That's just another book. The Winter Pony. There's some black plastic bag here on the floor. Can you imagine what's in it? Looks like just homogenized milk containers. Yeah, throw the whole thing in the trash. Oh, this old beer can. Weird material that maybe used to be covering the seat. Get some of this glass out here. They were moonshining in this thing or what? Who knows? Move you guys in a little closer now. There's even like moss growing on the seat belt there. Okay, I'm gonna maybe just go around the other side of the car and reach in through the open window, that stuff. Oh, got it. Yes. Pretty well got the bulk of this out. I wonder if I might be able to fold this back seat down. I've probably got to do both of those. Go around the other side seat. Oh, I gotta get in. Ugh, spider webs everywhere. Let's see. Ooh, the floor is a little soft. See through it right there. Oh, I was hoping the floor was going to be good in this thing. Oh. There. Hey, that's cool. You can turn this into a big bed. Oh, this car's way rustier than I had hoped underneath. I see holes there. I mean, it held me up, but I suppose we'll be able to patch her up somewhat. I guess let's move around to the back. I do not know how to get this open. Oh, spider webs. Somebody was saying something about the release latch being on the glass, but the glass appears broken. There's some kind of a thing you do here, don't know what it does. So look at that. Maybe once the door's open. So maybe it's just locked. I'm gonna have to research how this opens. Okay. What do we got here? Roof paneling. That's my come along. I threw that in there. I think this is the remnants of the floor mat for the back. We got the other taillight housing, so we just need a lens. That's good. Let's see. We got ourselves an original looking jack. There's an old tire iron buried in that. sitting there anyways. Yeah, so that's the back. That door came open. So what are the chances this one will? Classic. Try and buy one of those now. Actually, they do sell them. Okay, well that's pretty well everything I can easily reach without crawling through the window, which I don't want to do. So I gotta get these doors open. I'm gonna get some penetrating oil. I can get to the part of the latch there now with these open and a pry bar, and we'll bring you back in once they're open. Alright, well, I did get our passenger side. The driver's side is still stuck. That's gonna be a challenge for another day because it's getting hot already. I'm getting sweaty. Let's see what's sitting down here. We might have a floor mat under all this. Oh, lots of ants. Oh, do you see that? Yeah. Ooh, they're biting ants. I don't like bitey ants. Ow! Alright. Okay. We're gonna get a can of Raid before we finish this. Oh, they're all over me. Okay. Let me get the Raid. Oh. I'm gonna spray the Raid and then we're gonna pick this up when it's not so hot out. Next morning here, guys, I've emptied most of a can of wasp killer down there, and another can of crawling insect bug killer that I just happened to have kicking around. So hopefully those critters are all dead. Anyway, I guess that's good enough. You guys don't want to really watch me sit here and vacuum on this thing, but to give you an idea, that's what we got left for floor pan on this side. Can't really tell on the other side yet. So that's, I guess, gonna do it for cleaning out the 65 Plymouth Fury wagon. Now I'm off to Mexico for 2 weeks. So hopefully when I come back, all my parts will be here to rebuild that motor. We got, you know, a gasket kit, rings, fuel pump. I don't know, I've ordered like 40 different parts all together. New bearings for the front and shoes. Figured I'd skimp on the back for now because I think it's the same part numbers, front and back, more or less. So if I decide to convert this big beast to disc brakes, I can just move that stuff to the back and just pretend the backs are good for now. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already seen the videos of us dragging this out of the bush and tearing the motor all apart. Well, what's wrong with you? Go watch those ones. And we'll see you on the next one.